Hi, I'm Dr. Kelly Leblanc. If snoring and sleep apnea is disrupting your life, there's a comfortable, easy alternative to that bulky CPAP machine, a custom oral appliance. We offer a variety of modern appliances to find that perfect, customized fit for your needs. This solution is silent and portable, and it just gently slides your lower jaw forward to keep your airway open, and it's often covered by Medicare. Stop struggling to sleep. Click Learn More now for your free consultation.